Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best rain barrels in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. RTS Home Accents Round 35-gallon Rain Barrel with brass spigot and built-in planter, wood grain. Embrace nature's solution to our emerging water shortage, collect rainwater. When drought sets in and rain is short, rain barrels can provide that precious water you need for your lawn and garden. Our authentic oak barrel texture is molded into each barrel and will not fade or rot. A built-in planter adds life to your water collecting. The RTS Accents Rain Barrel has many unique features, including being fully round for a more authentic barrel look, linkable to other rain barrels for increased capacity, screen to keep out debris, and a shut-off valve for hose hookup with dual overflow. This rain barrel can provide up to 35 gallons of pure unchlorinated water. A front side overflow keeps water from flooding against your outside wall. It is recommended that you drain your barrels when temperatures approach the freezing point. Number 2. Vine GLI 50-gallon collapsible rain barrel, portable water storage tank, rainwater collection system downspout, water catcher container with filter spigot overflow kit. Isuo Ferre and Delight product kit, saving the water, saving the earth. A sustainable solution to reuse the rainwater in your garden watering or etc. at the same time, save your water bill. Based on calculation, this rain barrel can save your water bill up to 40% per year. High-quality materials. Our rain barrel is made from PVC frame and anti-corrosion PVC mesh fabric. It is designed for long-term usage even in the cold winter time. Unlike traditional barrels, this barrel is crack-free and more durable. Prevent to LEAKG, 2 rubber rings come with each spigot and water outflow valve. Install one rubber ring inside, the other one outside of the barrel, can efficiently prevent leakage. Top mesh design keeps leaves, insects away from your clear water. Number 1. FCMP Outdoor RC 4050-gallon heavy-duty outdoor home rain catcher barrel water container with spigots and mesh screen brown. Outdoor rain collection water catchers are designed with large openings and a flat back that allows for easy installation. Spigots on the side of the barrel for connecting multiple rain catcher barrels together for the expansion of your rainwater storage capacity. Aluminum mesh screen keeps out debris to keep the water clear. Includes a debris screen, garden hose, shut-off thumb valve, hanging hose clips, overflow hose, and linking kit for connecting the barrels. Barrels are constructed of BPA-free polyethylene plastic and can support up to 50 gallons of water. Assembled dimensions: LXWX8, 24 x 24 x 32 inches.